Boom shakalaka, this chart changes everything for Bitcoin. If you've been gloomy over the past couple days about Bitcoin price, this chart right here is going to make you pretty darn excited, and we're going to get into why exactly in today's episode. Stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today things are starting to heat up for Bitcoin and cryptos all over again. Another green day led by DOT up 38%, but Bitcoin itself up almost 14% to 37,737. Now, why? Well, basically what's going on in this chart, we're going to get into this later, because guess what? For the past couple days, people have been pretty bummed about what's been going on with Bitcoin. I mean, analysts are kind of gloomy about Bitcoin short-term price predictions right now. They're talking about how, hey, the Coinbase Pro outflow isn't as high as it was. These red lines you can see right here, right here, right here. Just in the recent past, there's not much going on there. And also, if we take a look at the daily change in Bitcoin held on exchanges, is actually increasing. And when more people put Bitcoin on exchanges, that might mean they're more looking to trade it. But could what's happening with Bitcoin in this chart right here actually be good news for Bitcoin? Before we talk about what it means, guys, make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell. Now, as we've been talking about, I like this thing right here, the Bitcoin rainbow price chart. This is a Bitcoin logarithmic regression. When Bitcoin's in the blue to green, it's in the fair trading value of Bitcoin. When it pops out of there to the light green and yellow, we're starting to get to bubble territory. And oftentimes, every time it goes to a new color, we actually see a little bit of pullback. As you can see, let's take a look here at the last one. When it was going up to the yellow, had a pullback there. When it was going up to the orange, had a pullback there. Same thing here. When it was going up from dark green to light green, had a pullback there. Yellow to orange, pullback there. So these price points are pretty interesting. And guys, this chart here, it touching the yellow, there's an 83% chance Bitcoin is going to be over $100,000 within a couple of months. If you don't believe me, you could check out that video right there. But in the short term, what on earth does this mean for Bitcoin? Because, I mean, heck, we all want Bitcoin to be $1 million today. Well, guys, Bitcoin has again broke above the upper bound of the bullish megaphone. And not only that, but right here, breaking above the, there it is, the 50 MA40. Okay, so you can see it there. Let's do yellow. All right, there you go. You can see it right there, breaking above the 50 MA40. And what is also happening is now Bitcoin is back in this ascending triangle. And generally, these tend to be bullish patterns heading up in that direction. Now, the question you have to ask yourself is, could this trend continue even though Coinbase Pro outflows are down, even though more Bitcoin's going on exchanges? And I think the likely answer could potentially be yes, for two reasons. Number one, because we haven't factored in all the money printing that's going on into Bitcoin's price. That hasn't even come close to being factored into Bitcoin's price. But number two, if we take a look, Bitcoin really only breaks below the 4-hour MA50 like it did right here, not that often. In a bullish trend, it doesn't happen that often. As you can see, really we're only seeing it like maybe once a month, maybe twice a month tops. And that being that, you can see the 4-hour MA50 continuing to head up here, continuing to break above $40,000 as long as the price keeps heading up. So those things tell me on a technical standpoint that yes, Bitcoin is likely to break above $40,000. But also another thing that Bitcoin does is oftentimes when it approaches a big even, we see touch, touch, breakthrough. All right. And all right, we had here touch. We might have another touch coming up in the next couple days. And then boom, breakthrough. By this date here, January 25th, 2021, Bitcoin will break north of $40,000. Very likely. And guys, Bitcoin is still on track to not only reach my prediction of $70,000 by October 2021, which I've had for like over a year already, but potentially to even reach almost $300,000. Now, these pullbacks, you have to understand, if this is your first rodeo, Bitcoin's a rodeo, Okay, it goes up, it goes down. Analysts get gloomy, people get FUD. I think it's best said here by Altcoin Daily that basically takeaway is pullbacks are part of a healthy bull market. So this is the last bull run in 2016, 2017. Look at this, 6 pullbacks of 30% or more. Well, that's part of a healthy bull market. If it just goes up parabolically, it's just not healthy. So these are kind of normal, and I think that's a very normal thing to happen. So guys, if you did enjoy this video, make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell, and it looks like I'm drawing a little bird right here. We got a body, we got some legs. All right, look at this. We got big bird, my friends. So make sure, or maybe a puffin. We have a puffin, my friends. So make sure to like, subscribe, and I will catch you guys later. Love you. Peace.